Hi people on the internet, how are you all? Today I'm going to tell you some truths about myself, and that's absolutely true, and it's nothing but the truth. First of all, I treat all my elders with a lot of respect. I never wear like disrespectful clothes in front of them. I don't drink in front of them. I don't talk back to them. I don't do any of those things. I treat them with a lot of respect. Yes, I do. I am such a good cook, and I love cooking. I love slaving all day in the kitchen. I love making roti, aloo matar, dal, kaddu, dal, chicken vindaloo, chicken curry, lamb curry, and fish curry. I love doing all that, and I can spend the whole day cooking in the kitchen. I love cooking that much. I don't spend a lot of money on clothes and makeup and saris and shoes and salwar kameez and Indian jewelry. No, I don't do that. I don't do that. That's so not me. I don't spend money unnecessarily like that. I'm not obsessed with being fair. I've never even heard of Fair and Lovely. What is that? And I don't buy foundation which is like several shades lighter than the color of my skin. No, I love exercise and I love keeping fit. I love doing the insanity workout. I can do the insanity workout for a full 5 minutes. I am so much fun and I am absolutely fearless. My idea of fun is jumping off an aeroplane and going hiking up snow-covered mountains. That is my idea of fun. I don't drink. Okay, I drink wine, but wine is not alcohol. I'm not obsessed with Bollywood. I don't like Bollywood movies. They're so cheesy and tacky and they're so unreal. And I don't copy the fashion styles of Bollywood actresses like Katrina Kaif and Kareena Kapoor and Deepika Padukone. I don't do that. That is so not me. I have my own original sense of style. And I don't love Bollywood songs, and I will never make you dance to a Bollywood song. Never. Never, ever, ever. I don't like John Abraham. Okay, I do, but that's because he's a very good actor, okay? I haven't, and I will never read the 50 Shades of Grey. That is a dirty, dirty, dirty book. And I don't know why women read that. So if you enjoyed listening to all these things about me, which are very, very true, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like these, click like, comment, and share.